In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play against friends in Madden 25 Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to do a head-to-head or 1v1 against friends in Madden 25. So all that you have to do is add them to the same league as you. So if they have a league and you are able to join, you can join their league instead, or if you want, they can join your league. Basically, to do a 1v1, both of you need to be on the same league inside of the game. So you will only be able to do 1v1 and play against people who are in the same league as you in Madden 25 Mobile. So once they join your league or you join their league, go over to the leagues menu, and in here, to invite them to a match, you have to go over to My League. So tap this option that you see here, and once you select My League, you will be able to see everyone, including your friends, who is currently on this league. All that you have to do now is find the specific friend that you would like to invite to a 1v1, select them, and once you tap on them, you will see a menu like this one, and you will find the option to play. You can also scout, report, film, and you will see their various stats here for OVR, the offense, defense, special, and so on. But all that you have to do is tap play. Now, this will allow each of you to play around. This is the only way that you can play against your friends. So, as soon as you choose play, you will be able to do a move, then they will be able to do a move, and back and forth until one of you wins the whole match. It is simple to do, and the only thing that you need is to join the same league as your friend. If you still need to join a league, choose the option from the home screen and you will get instructions on how to do it here. You will usually have a prompt and you can join the league by using their code or by receiving an invite. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against friends in Madden 25 Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.